In this guide, we're going to be going over which Fortnite Winterfest present is going to give you the Cheeks Fortnite skin here in Fortnite Winterfest 2025. Before we get into this guide, I just want to let you guys know that I am currently gifting my Fortnite subscribers. If you guys do want a gift, all you need to do to enter is like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and then comment down your Epic Games username and whatever you want from the shop so I can go ahead and add a few of you guys and send those gifts over. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get into this. If you guys don't know how to get into the Winterfest Lodge, essentially go ahead and hit play, and then right next to play, there's going to be a little like snowflake icon. Select that, and then go ahead and hit visit Lodge, and it's going to take you to a place that looks like this, which has a ton of different presents on it. Every single day, you're going to get to open up one present, and in those presents, you're going to get a bunch of different rewards, but this specific present is going to give you a free skin, and this is the Cheeks skin. The present you're going to want to go ahead and select is on the left hand sidebar, so go ahead and select that, and then of course look for the two biggest presents. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and select this, and then from here it's going to tell you that you do need to open up 13 more presents to unlock. But once you open up all 13, you'll be able to get the Cheek skin here in Fortnite and open up this present. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.